been flying my Avata for over half a year now. So far it feels like it's my favorite drone of them all. With this one I really get the feeling that I'm in a small plane and in a big world. And when you can go really fast and low to the ground, sometimes it's very fun to follow your friends doing some tricks. Because it's so small and durable, you don't have to worry about crashing it. I have crashed mine like over 30 times, and sometimes the propellers break or the upper or lower frame, but it's really easy to replace. And then one day DJI announced that the new Avata 2 will come out, and it got me really excited. Because the Avata has some problems with tumbling, so I was wondering if the new drone will be much better. And then it came. It was nice to see that DJI this time had a bag for the Avata, so I don't have to order a separate box for it. And it came with the new goggles free. They have a much stronger signal compared to the other goggles. But it was really similar to the older ones. Just the headband has been moved up and you have the front-facing cameras. And then the drone. Have to say it was much lighter than I expected. And I also like that the new batteries on the Avata 2 are internal, like on the Mini 4 Pro or airframe. Also the camera has been updated. It's now pretty much same that they have on the Action 4 camera. The propellers are the same size as the Avata had. And also it's nice that the new drone is much quieter. So much that I have tested, it feels it's quieter than the airframe. And of course I have to got the FPV controller, because 90% or even more I always fly it in manual mode. The new controller was much lighter and they have ditched the external antenna. So anyways, now it was time to give it some spin and test it how it feels like. First time when I started to fly it, it felt much lighter than the Avata. Each time when you try to drop from altitude, it feels like it's a paper plane. And yeah, I have to also test it out how fast it is. So it seems like it's a little bit faster than the Avata. And also while I was testing, I found a bug. It crashed by itself when I was turning to the left. I don't know why it happened, but I did not pull the stick so much to the left. Good that the drone fell on the snow and was all right. The Avata 2 came with the motion controller, so it was time to test out how it feels. When you fly with the motion controller, it's so easy. Even a child could learn it in a few minutes. You have like a helicopter or plane stick in your hand. You really get so confident with the motion controller. You don't have to worry about anything, just go, and when you release the cash, it will just float in the air. I'm sure I will still fly my Avata because it's so durable and can take a beating, and you can swap out parts. And also I love my axis flying Avata. But I have to test out the Avata 2 more to see how it really feels like and compare to the other ones.